Welcome grade 3. Welcome to eLessons. Today we are covering our assignment number 1 of second semester. Student, this is our new semester, second semester, okay? And today we are cover our chapter number 6, numbers and data, sunflower, okay? I'm your computer teacher Hera. Okay, grade 3. Before covering this chapter, I will just give you a little bit I will explain you this chapter is about basically about Excel sheet. Okay, spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel is an organization which provided the software internationally. Okay, and this software is called application software. Basically there are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software are those software which are installed and which are used by the user according to his or her requirement. If we don't have application software, the functionality of computer doesn't affect. Okay, we can't do our work which we want to do. Just like if we want to do tables, if we want to do the additions or subtraction, we want to make our result report card, we can't make it in Word or in other software as we can make it easily in Excel. Okay, so we will before starting our chapter we will cover sight word. These are the sight words: chart, okay, cell reference, spreadsheet, line chart, and copy down. Okay, chart basically is a pictorial representation of data in which we represent our data in lines in bar forms. Okay, best way to express graphical data in chart form. Okay, cell is the interaction of rows and columns. Okay, and every cell have a name, is called a cell reference. Okay, spreadsheet is a grid sheet which contain numbers of cells on columns. Okay, line chart is also a type chart in which we display data rows and column in line form. Okay, like in this way, this is also called the line data. Okay, if I will plot it on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, in chart we have two axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and copy down means we will write down, note down the things in a cell. Okay, as you know, this is our computer class, so welcome to your computer class. Okay, topics to be covered: make a spreadsheet, make a line chart, and improve the chart. Because it's your first time in Excel, so we will just study the basics of the spreadsheets. Okay, a spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns. Okay, the rows are number, the columns have the letters, and the combination of rows and column numbers and letter is called the name of the cell. Okay, and it's called the cell reference. Value are the numbers and calculations. Values are displayed on the right of the cell. Labels are all the content, usually words. Labels are displayed on the left of the cell. Okay, this is the view of the spreadsheet graph, sorry, spreadsheet Excel. Okay, this is called table. It is consist of columns, and these are the rows. These are the text label, these are the rows, and these are the columns. Okay, these are the values. Okay, in which we enter the values. Okay, and it is an active cell in which cell we are working. If we press it, the boundary of the cell will be changes. Okay, and the color of the cell and thickness will indicate that we are right now working in this cell. This cell is the active one, and we can also check if in which cell we are. The number, the name of the cell will be indicated here. Okay, and each cell has a unique cell reference. Okay, this is called the references. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 a b c d e f. Okay, and this is called the worksheet. Okay, Excel is numbers of worksheets. Okay, and now what is make a line chart. Okay, now we will come to the that how what is a line chart. A line chart shows value changing over time. Where the line is low, the value is low. Where the line is high, the value is high. It depends upon on values. When we have a high value, our graph touches the high value. If it is low, then it is toward the bottom side. Okay, make the charts, and chart is made up of the values. We select the values, we check the columns, and we will display it on the charts. Okay, like in this way. I have make a table of growing flowers. Okay, and these are plus 1 2. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's a chart basically related to the plants, okay, which is growing on different days. Okay, I have here the height of the chart plant and write down it on this columns. Okay, here basically the activity was this, that we have to the students at the city park school wanted to show their sunflowers had grown. Okay, they daily go there and they watch and they monitor their growth. Okay, and then they decided that they write down the height they are growing, their line on each day on an excel sheet. Okay, then they make a sheet with the according to the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then they enter them data. Okay, in this way. Okay, this way they can easily see on which day the plant grow well. Okay, now chart type. Okay, I told you that there are the numbers of types. Okay, right now we are selecting the bar. This is called the line chart. Okay, in this way you can see the line. Okay, and these are the column. Okay, types of the column chart. Recommended chart, all chart, we will select it, then we press OK. Okay, then our chart will be displayed according to our values, according to the table we made in the previous slides. Okay, improving the chart. We will explain the explaining the chart means if you want to change the type, if you want to add the more data which make our chart more visible, then we can easily enter the data. We can select the data. Okay, then we display it over x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and we can select the values in the columns here. Okay, these are the values and these are the labels. Okay, now you can see on my chart Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is plotted, and according to that values are displayed. On 9th Thursday value is going toward up. Okay, on Monday value is down because the value is 2, and on Thursday value is 9. Okay, 9 and 2, there is a lot of difference. Okay, so you can see the shape of the lines on these 2 days. Okay, in this way we can plot our chart. Okay, if you want to change the design, we can easily change it. Okay, file. Okay, then what we can do, on file there are the numbers of change design charts. Okay, we can select it, then we can change the chart type according to our requirement. Okay, chart design tab. Okay, at top of the screen, then we can select the different style chart design, whatever we want to select, we will select it, and the chart style will be changed. But we have to do, click on the chart and open the chart design tab. Okay, in this way we can change the chart to chart style design too. Okay, students, now hopefully you can do your homework. What you have to do, write down the sight words on your neat notebook, and activity number 1, 2 and 3 on page number is 87, 89 and 91. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, the activity which is on page number 89, 91 is basically improve your chart by including the labels, like I have done that. I have changed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Before that I was just plotted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can change the chart easily by selecting the data, okay, from the table, and you have to do it. Before doing this activity, make sure that you have Excel on your systems. If you don't have Excel, Excel, okay, Microsoft Excel, you can't make this sort of a charts, this table on your computers. Okay, stay at your home, stay